So here we are at about 5:10 in the morning, setting off on a road trip to Tangerang to pick up guests who are staying for the week. So here we are at 9:30, 850 metres from the gate of the hotel in gridlock. So we may be a little while longer getting there. Well, we arrived at the car park finally, after a bit of gridlock. Here they are.
Good seeing you again.
Good to see you, yes. Sorry.
Hello.
Hello.
How are you?
Well, thank you.
Hello, how are you?
Yeah, well, now we've got to escape.
Hello.
Have you met Titten before?
No.
Okay.
Yes, I meet you. I now meet you.
No, we've polished off the tom yum and the nasi goreng ayam. Chicken fried rice, yes. And it was very good, so we can highly recommend the Sari Banten in Serang. My visitor Brian is earning his keep patching earthquake cracks.
Oh, now I'm on video.
Yeah, you're a star now. See, it says on the back it's recording.
Oh, there's Teressa.
Is that working now?
Say hello.
Hello.
Yeah. And it tells you how much time you've got left in the recording, so it's got 19 minutes and 47 seconds left. So you've got a 20-minute limit on recording, then you just start the line.
And then turn it off.
So having used the no more gaps to fill the cracks and a bit of silicone sealant to stick down some conduits on the wall, he's now using the silicone sealant to stick down my light strips that were not sufficiently soft adhesive. It's wonderful having workaholic friends.
Whoops.
Jubaedah had long wanted a local wedding here, so I said to her, okay, well, our 10th wedding anniversary, we can do a re-wedding. So that's what Brian and Teressa came over to participate in or observe, and it wasn't what I was expecting. Jubaedah had minimal involvement in it, apart from lots and lots of cooking. All the ladies got together, and I believe most of them were up at 2 AM on the day of the wedding doing cooking. They let Jubaedah sleep in before. So yeah, but the wedding itself was just the men, it seems. So I'll show you a few snippets of that.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. In the name of Allah.
Untuk menikahkan kakak saya Jubaedah binti Canang almarhum dengan Abu Salam dengan mas kawin uang Rp10.000 dan emas 20 gram tunai.
Saya terima atas perwakilannya untuk lukis dan days of God. Tunai.
Saya menerima menikahi Yana dengan mas kawin tersebut tunai.
Dengan menikahnya.
Menikahnya.
Menikah. Menikahnya. Ya,
Okay. So, saya menerima menikahnya.
Israel
Untuk menikahkannya dengan mas kawin Rp10.000 dan emas 20 gram tunai.
Saya menerima menikahnya dengan mas kawin tersebut tunai.
Ya, sah.
Ya barangkali nanti walaupun sudah mengucapkan tuh ya, ini kan penting juga.
Tangin na om, tangin.
Jadi keras kalau bangun. Ya, selamat. Selamat tapi selamat. Selamat di
Banyak ya ucapan selamat.
Well, apparently our wedding has brought the rain, so we've had over 45 millimetres so far in this thunderstorm, which is excellent. So my concern now is that people will say, oh, listen, Jubaedah got married again and it brought the rain. Next drought they want us to get married again. So yeah, it's pretty vigorous. Excellent, most excellent. Well, we had a total of 64.49 mils yesterday, which brought it up to this level. Oh, there goes a pet. Which at that level, again, there are pipes from the front tank to the back tank. I would have put them up there, but these people put them there apparently. So the water has actually flowed over into the back tank. And I won't do it now, but if we look at the level, it's about there. So we've got 4,000 litres in the back tank accessible, in addition to 21,000, so we've got 25,000 litres available now, which so we're more than doubled what we have available. That's not leaking nearly as bad as it did, so I have hopes for that being good now. This one leaks a bit, but yeah, I can live with that amount of leak. The leak up here will be through the wall of the tank as well, so there's probably some around the other side as well. There's a little bit of damp over there. So this damp down in here is coming from the tank itself. You see it's wet at the foot there, good up there, but it's not large volumes, so I'm not too fussed. And now we're coming into the wet season, so this thing's going to get filled and overfilled several times over probably. We've had about 784 mils of rain here since I got my machine in April, since I got my weather station in April. So it's, yeah, pretty wet, but we did actually get 310 millilitres in 310 millimetres in April, and I got the weather station on about April 4th. It was installed, so that was a wet month. That was the wettest month so far. So the wedding was not really what I expected at all, because Jubaedah had no participation in the ceremony. Apparently that's the local variant of the marriage celebration or marriage ceremony. In other areas they have a different process, like Dadang and City's wedding. I've seen photos of that and they were together for the ceremony. But okay, so Jubaedah wanted it, even though she wasn't in it. Okay, fine. We had our own little exchange of rings thing that we did after the actual wedding. So we now got new wedding bands. But video malfunction for that bit. But that's probably enough for this week. We'll load her up.